others to be safe as much as possible. We have to do and we have to help others to stay safe. Comrades, this is a very serious problem. More than 30 lakh people have died yet. More than 15 crore people all over the world have been infected of COVID-19. This COVID-19 is a pandemic. This pandemic has created the entire humanity to be in serious danger. But we have to face these serious challenges and we have to overcome. I do hope, I do believe that humanity will overcome this critical pandemic because the humanity in history has seen several this type of pandemics or disasters or several other earthquakes, volcanoes, cyclones, have flood, drought, and so many things that humanity has seen in its history. But we have to be safe and we have to do something for others to be safe. At the same time, before 500 years or 600 years, there was no government. There was no a proper society. There was no a system of governance in those days. The kings were the rulers, but there was no system or there was no democratic system of governance all over the world even before 100 years or 150 or 200 years. But this time, this period, we are having democratically elected government which is ruling this country and all over the countries all over the world. There is a government, elected government in every country to rule the country. That democratically elected government, the people's democracy is there. But the elected government mostly are from upper layer of the society. The full democracy not yet come to its fullest form. The democracy is on the way to the fullest form of democracy. The democracy, now we are living this world. In this world, most of the countries are having bourgeois democratic governments. Bourgeois democracy is prevailing all over the world. This bourgeois system is not permitting the humanity to be democratic, to be helpful to others, to be morally supportive to other people. This bourgeois government, this bourgeois system of society, profit is the main purpose, main motto of this bourgeois society. This profit system, profit making system of society, or this yeah, political system. In this political system, profit, profit everywhere, profit is the main slogan of this bourgeois or capitalist society. That is the main reason for the failure of the governments to save the people from this corona, from this COVID-19. The profit-making bourgeois system of the society is this society, this bourgeois system has privatized all medical healthcare system, hospitals, medical colleges, pharmaceuticals, medical shops, doctors, everyone, everything. This bourgeois political system or bourgeois social system has made them only for their profit. This profit-oriented political system or the society doesn't care for others except for their profit only. They don't bother about the death of the common people who are poor, who are toiling masses, who are agricultural workers, who are farmers, who are ordinary workers. They don't have money. They don't have the right to be alive. This is the philosophy of the capitalist system of the society. So the capitalism has become failure. The failure of the capitalist system has been exposed by this COVID-19 pandemic. Whether it is oxygen cylinders problem for cylinders availability or the beds with ventilator facility or some other medical equipments or remdesivir medicine for which now hundreds of people are in queue for long time, for days, 2 days, even 3 days, they are waiting in the queue for getting remdesivir, which is more important medicine for saving the life from COVID-19. So whether it may be remdesivir, oxygen cylinders, or ventilators, or beds, or hospitals, or doctors, everything for the purpose of profit, this bourgeois capitalist society has made. We could have, we are seeing in India, actually, now they are speaking about the patent right of these vaccines, that the corona vaccines. Who discovered this medicine or vaccination? These vaccines are invented by the scientists. The scientists, they don't invent these medicines for their personal profit. No scientist. The scientists are for the people, whether from Isaac Newton or Edison or this Stephen Hawking or Einstein, or so many scientists in the world since long back, thousands of years. They have invented so many scientific inventions they have made, not for their personal profit, but the quest, their wishes, their desires to find out how this world, how this universe, how this system is functioning, how this solar system is functioning, is operating, and what is the end of this universe, what is the beginning, and how the works are functioning. They just their quest to find out what is happening, how this world functioning, what is the world is made up of, atoms or proton, neutron, electron, or these chemical bonds, or so many things, gravity and everything was invented by the scientists, not for their personal profit. But this system, this capitalist system has made everything for their personal profit purpose. The scientists did not find out, did not invent the vaccines for corona for their personal profit. But this commercialization of this healthcare system is the main reason for not availability of the medicine, of these medical equipments for the corona patients, or not. This time is corona patients. Generally, other times, what is happening? Even this cancer patient or heart patient or some other problems and kidney problem, everywhere the money is the main purpose, main profit for the medical health care. This medical health care is totally being commercialized by the capitalists, by the profit making people, by the corporates. This corporate capitalism is the main enemy of the common people, of the common public. These people, that medical health care should be saved from the loot of the corporate capitalism. That is why, that is the, that's why we say the failure of the capitalist system has been exposed by this COVID-19 pandemic. That's why we want every healthcare system, healthcare, medical healthcare should be under the control of government. These vaccines now, two institutes, Serum Institute and Bharat Institute in Hyderabad, two institutes, they are producing two medicines, two vaccines, the Covaxin and Covishield. These two vaccines are produced with the collaboration of some foreign scientific institutes, some Oxford University and some other worldwide. There are several vaccines have been invented and new vaccines have come. Now the Sputnik 5 also is coming to India from Russia. But everything is for their profit purpose. That is the politics behind the corporate capitalism. That is the politics behind the coronavirus crisis. That is the main reason the people are getting died every day. There is no places in the cremation that there is no way for the common people. The bodies are thrown into the Ganga river, and there is the people are, they don't have ambulances. They are carrying on their shoulder of their of the body of their mother or father or their child. The people are in distress or in crisis, but this government, just what this government is doing, this government is doing just like japa mantras, like that. They are okay, just some yoga, you do some yoga exercise, and this is a prime minister is speaking, or these chief ministers like Yogi Adityanath, they are speaking. If anybody is crying for the help of others, they are put in jail by this Yogi Adityanath government. If in social media, if anybody is crying in social media for help of others, please help me like that, you do something, he is crying. But this government doesn't bother about the crisis, about their tragedies. But they want to politicize. Don't cry. If silently you die, it's yourself. Silently you die. This is the philosophy of the capitalist system. So we don't want capitalist system. That should be changed. At the same time, our comrades, our All India Youth Federation comrades, we must help others as much as possible. Comrades, Now the problem, the blood problem is there everywhere in the hospitals. Blood is not available. Our people must go to the hospital with all precautions, with all safety measures, and they must go and they must give blood donation, and we must organize blood donations at all level, district level, local level, and state level. And we must supply blood to the hospitals so that the ordinary people, patients can be saved. This is our immediate, our duty, our obligation. It is our duty to do it. And at the same time, our people should be precautious and with safe, and we must do as much as possible help to others.
Classical
Comrades, I congratulate. We could not meet
non-stick
for a long time in person, but this type of some meetings, through this type of meetings, we can often meet and we can have conversation, and we can have dialogue, and we can plan for future tasks. And in this period, we have to do our duty, and at the same time, don't become panic, because the humanity has seen several this type of disasters, and finally humanity will survive and will succeed in this war, in this COVID-19 fight also. And the worldwide scientists and people, they will finally will be success. And you all, comrades, be safe and stay at home. At the same time, do something for our people. Thank you, comrades.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ కామ్రేడ్ తిరుమలై. దేశవ్యాప్తంగా కేంద్ర రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వాలు కరోనా సమయంలో ప్రజలను కాపాడ